Hello, world. My name is Richard. I'm an instructor at Treehouse, and my background is computer science. Your first question might be, what exactly is computer science? Is it the science of working with computers? Well, there's no set definition. It seems that every major university and computing organization has their own take on it. To help us define computer science, consider the Oscar nominated film Hidden Figures, released in 2016. It was the true story of Black women who were hired at NASA to perform complex mathematical calculations for upcoming space missions. Their job title? Computers. So the term computer science doesn't necessarily refer to this machine we call a computer, because the term existed long before computers were widely available. In fact, Edska Dijkstra, an influential figure in the early days of the discipline, once stated that computer science is no more about computers than astronomy is about telescopes. It has been argued that a more appropriate term might be computing science, although most of the work in the modern age is done for and by computers. So here's our definition. Computer science is the study and design of algorithms, computations, and information systems in both theory and practice, typically with the aid of computers. I know, that's a mouthful. As we move forward, we will provide more understanding of the term computer science as you begin this new journey. Just like telescopes are tools in the study of astronomy, computers are tools in computer science. In the next video, we will unpack the history of computers and the internet. See you there.